on Kabakabaran. Republic of Philippines Commission on Elections. Certificate of canvass of voters and proclamation of winning candidate for Vice Mayor. May 12, 2025 national, local, and barn parliamentary elections. We, the undersigned members of the Municipal Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 71 clustered precincts for the candidates therein for Vice Mayor in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached hereto and forming part hereof is a statement of votes by precinct CAF number 20-A, garnered by its candidate for the office of Vice Mayor. And after such canvass, it appears that Kabakaba Ramirez Veronica of the Partido Federal ng Pilipinas garnered 25,385 votes for the office of Vice Mayor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above-named winning candidates as the duly elected Vice Mayor of Eastern Samar, Giwan, Province of Eastern Samar. In witness whereof, we affix our signatures and imprint our thumbmarks in Giwan, Province of Eastern Samar, this May 13, 2025, the certification printed at 4 o'clock at 4:31 in the morning this day.
Ang unang COVID pa na ako. Congratulations!